organize my gear shelf with me. So, I bought this shelf online and gusto kong ilagay yung mga gears ko here. Actually, hindi pa naman madami yung mga gears ko, pero gusto ko lang silang i-organize kasi sobrang gulo na nila and wala silang lalagyan. So, let's start with bags. Camel just sent me 2 bigger bags. So, ito yung mga pang overnight and hindi ko pa sila nagagamit. First is this. I think this is their 55 to 65 liters. This is for overnight camping. Excited na akong magamit to. So, yayain nyo na ako mag-overnight camping. Ayan, dyan siya. Sakto lang siya. The second bag is 45 liters ata. I got the color khaki. Ang ganda rin. And pwede rin siyang pang overnight camping. Next is bags ulit. This is from Bag Smart. This is their duffel bag and backpack. So, here na rin sila. Ipapatong ko lang. For this layer naman, bags ulit. This is also from Camel Crown. Ito yung 12 liters, 9 liters, and 12 liters. Wait, lapit ko lang kayo. And sama-sama na lang din sila here. Next is my sleeping bag. Ayan siya. Online ko lang din to nabili. And here na lang siya. And my shoes, this is from Decathlon. And isa pa lang yung sapatos ko for hiking. Dito ko na lang pala ilalagay yung shoes ko. And my water bladder, poncho, and headlamp. And then my medicine kit, emergency raincoat, and then this foldable water bottle, and my quick dry towel. This is from Nature Hike. My shades, cap, bucket hat, and trekking pole. This is from Nature Hike. Itong dalawang to. And then some energy gels and trail foods. And last is my bag tags. Here na lang sila sa taas. So yeah, that's it. I think organized na siya. Ayan pa lang yung mga gears ko, pero sana madagdagan pa siya. And let me show you up close. Ayan. So yeah, that's all for this video and see you on my next one. Bye!